everyone, this is Karen. In this video I'm showing you how I use thin paper clay slabs to begin making this beautiful poppy lamp. I initially intended to take out the overlap, but then decided that I like it. Here I am simply using a needle tool to carve out the lines of the poppies. This is the beginning of the Mishima technique. Once I have all of the poppies drawn, I'm putting lines in the spaces between where I will be carving. I wanted to have a three-dimensional aspect, so I used little balls of clay to make the raised up center of the flowers. To add some variation in the line quality of my poppies, I'm using a diamond core carving tool. I love these things. And now time to add some texture into the poppy centers. Cutting away the spaces in between. I have to be very careful about the amount of space that I cut out to keep the integrity of the structure. This is the second part of the Mishima technique, filling in all of the lines that are carved with black underglaze and then wiping off the excess, leaving the black in the recessed channels. It's kind of like wax on, wax off. I think carving clay is one of my favorite techniques, and as a former painter, applying underglaze runs a close second. I use 2 coats of each color of underglaze to be sure to get the intensity that I want in my pieces. Almost done! Once the underglaze is finished, it will go into a bisque fire. I pre-made a base, which will be glazed along with the top to create the finished lamp. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and comment.